Dcryptofan, what's going on? This is the Crypto Fan channel. Just tuned in. We got a lot to unpack today. We got a lot of ETF news that going on. There's actually been 155 filings. Oh, we're about to get crazy. We got a lot to unpack today. This is the Crypto Fan just tuned in. We go from 7:30 to 9 o'clock, 7 days a week. Sorry, 5 days a week. Not a financial advisor, not coming to give financial advice. We just tuned in. We got a lot to unpack in. It's the Crypto Fan. Let's go. Oh, it's crazy. These ETFs filing. You think crypto's going somewhere? Oh, no, crypto ain't going nowhere. If you go on CoinMarketCap today, oh yeah, this thing's been running. I had to go ahead and clean it up. So make sure that we get this thing going. If y'all see the play right now, crypto ETF boom, 155 filings across 35 assets. Okay, analyst back index. Okay, do not sleep on this. Oh, y'all thought crypto was going somewhere. Or was y'all selling your coins? I hope y'all wasn't selling your coins. So let's get into this, man. It's the Crypto Fan. Make sure you hit a share. Make sure you hit a like. Today's October 22nd. 155 crypto filed. XRP, XDC. Oh, yeah. This wealth transfer is happening, y'all. All right, let's get into crypto gang. So tonight we're going to be talking about the biggest ETF wave in crypto. All right, we're going to talk about this. This is the biggest crypto ETF wave in history. All right, Styles about Shirley. What up, crypto gang? Oh yeah, y'all watching this dip. Y'all watching this manipulation. But let me tell you about the news. Let's talk about facts. All right, it's the Crypto Fan. Just tuning in. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I just came here to report the news. And we got a lot of news to get into. We're gonna talk about these ETFs. It's going crazy. People are being scared. Everybody in my chat, they already know what time it is. We quietly buying, we accumulating like the industry is. Yeah, we acting like institutions over here. You would think we're institutions, how we doing over here. All right, Dcryptofan, let's go. All right, so let's talk about this, all right? So the biggest ETF wave in crypto history is just hit, okay? 155 crypto ETFs filed, 35 different asset classes. Y'all heard? Oh, we're gonna get crazy. Let me clear my glasses. We about to get crazy tonight. Just tuned in to the Crypto Fan, man. If y'all watch that post, we back, man. I had to change some settings, do some things here, put up some security words, some points, try to keep all the fake pages and try to keep all these fake scammers out of here. But we done cleaned it up, so we back to running again. Let's go, man. It's the Crypto Fan. So let's talk about it. The ETFs. Okay, if you guys understand what ETFs, what this does is bring money into crypto. You understand me? So you understand 155 filings, 35 different asset classes. You know what that means? That's 35 different coins or tokens. That's right. You heard it here first. Dcryptofan. So let's talk about it. So we're talking about like XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all right? Even altcoins like XDC. Y'all got XDC? Yeah, they talking about XDC. All right. So 155 new crypto ETFs filings waiting for SEC approval. All right. They cover 35 different digital assets. A land rush, according to Bloomberg. All right. Bitcoin Solana leads with 23 filings each. All right. Bitcoin Solana, 23 filings each. XRP has 20 filings. It's the Crypto Fan, man. We getting, man, let me tell you, man, we getting crazy, man. Hey, we been getting crazy, man. Listen, man, if you just tuned in, it's the Crypto Fan. Make sure you hit share, make sure you hit like. You get this news here first. Tammy Lynn was sending me stuff all day. I tell you, I spent let me tell you, last night, I couldn't even do. I got 2 episodes I want to drop, but I can't drop it because the one that I dropped 2 days ago is running. The one from yesterday got over 20,000 views. It's running. It won't stop. So I can't even drop that one because I'm going to stop the momentum. So I got to let it keep going. Yeah, I did a little settings, but that one hit 20,000 views, man. The same one we were talking about. You know, we were talking about David Schwartz and Evernorth. Go check it out. It's on 20,000 views. That baby's running. It's the Crypto Fan. Let me tell you, since we flipped that switch the other day, we got 200 new followers in 24 hours, y'all. We moving. We broke the 4,000. I think we might broke 4,100, y'all. Oh, the Crypto Fan, we moving real quick, y'all. It's the Crypto Fan, man. Thank you for everything y'all doing. Thank you. Much appreciate that. Steve Chambers, appreciate you. Appreciate all the things y'all do. We getting this channel moving. You know what I'm saying? This channel is moving. You know what I'm trying to tell you? So let's go back into this. So when people are scared, trying to shake you out, I already told y'all the playbook. You want me to rewind the playbook again? You want me replaying the 4 plays? I think y'all remember the 4 plays. Let's rewind this. Let's talk about the 4 plays we were talking about the other day. If y'all just tune this, the crypto fam, make sure you share, lick, like. All right, so the 4 plays. First play, this is a playbook of manipulation now. They've been doing this before. This happened to gold in 2003. Go look at it. Same thing. ETFs coming out. War. Oh, yeah. Talking about dollar gonna crash. Go look at that. 2003. See what happened when the 2003 to 2004. 12 months later, gold runs up 35%. But anyway, let's run the play. First play, create fear. All right? Creates uncertainty. All right? That's the first one they do. Then start dumping crypto. Then start doing delays. Then start talking about tariffs. All right? Then quietly start accumulating over the counter. Though they don't buy from Coinbase, they don't buy from crypto.com. They buy over the counter where you can't see it. And then you see wallets growing. And you see exchanges, the money start coming, the crypto start falling, exchange reserves. Yeah. It start going down, reserves. They start buying. And then play 4, you flip the switch. Shut down, no longer. Crypto, straight, everything's good, boom. No more mineral oil, boom. ETFs approved, boom. Crypto runs. That's the 4 plays right there. So let's get back into this, all right? Just wanted to remind you the 4 plays. But if y'all think crypto is going anywhere, let's get back into this again. Just tune this, the crypto family. Make sure you share it. Make sure you like. If you're down with crypto gang, make sure you like now. 155 crypto ETFs filed. XRP XDC leading the wealth shift. Just tuned in. All right, this is the biggest ETF wave in crypto history. You heard me? You heard me? Y'all don't understand this, man. All right, 155 ETFs filed. 155, 155. 35 different asset classes. 35, okay? Okay, they're talking about even all kinds of XDC. All right, now understand this. Now, 155, this is different digital asset class, a land rush, according to Bloomberg. This is Bloomberg. This is not fake news. What do you think this is? This is Bloomberg. You know what Bloomberg is? It's not fake news. The crypto fan, you heard it here first. All right? Bitcoin, Solana, they led with 23 filings each. XRP, 20 filings. That's right. XRP, 20 filings. You know what that means when we talk about 20 filings? That's bringing Wall Street money, new money. That's bringing new money into crypto. New money, honey. All right? The crypto fan. You come on. Ethereum, 16 filings. Dogecoin, even Trump meme coin got a few. You already know Doge already got the ETF out already. It's DOJE. It's already out already. Do not sleep. That's how you know it's early with meme coins and ETF. Most people still think it's only XRP or XDC. Nah, the big boys are buying everything. Oh yeah. Do not sleep. Oh yeah, the big boys are buying everything. Oh yeah, while y'all watching whatever y'all, let me tell you, I don't even know what people are watching. I've been watching the market so much, I don't even know what's going on out there. I don't even know what's going on out there, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm lost. I don't know what's going on out there. Yeah. I was spending so much time doing security on this stuff here. That's how we riding now. That's how we back running again. It's the crypto fan. You understand? Let's go, man. Let me get distracted. So let's get into this, right? So it's October 22nd today. You know I kept this brand new fresh news. Tammy Lynn sent this to me. I had to send that straight to y'all. I'm going to go over the little articles that Tammy Lynn sent me too. There's great stuff. You know how it goes, man. This is team effort. It's the crypto fan. I told you we got over 4,000, and we got the last episode running 20,000. And it's 24 hours. I couldn't even post the new stuff yet. It's still running. The crypto fan, we running over here, baby. Love it, man. Let's get it. All right. So let's check this out now. And file 2000. Let's get to talking about today. The SEC won. All right. One most respected asset manager over 1.5 trillion on your manager. T. Rowe Price active ETF. T. Rowe Price. I got that in my, I got them in my 401k. T. Rowe Price active crypto ETF. This is getting serious, y'all. These are big boys. This is talking about 401ks. You understand? This is retirement monies. Oh, my Lord. This thing's getting crazy, y'all. You better not sell your crypto. Don't let them fool you. This is true stuff. You go look it up. This is factual stuff. These ETFs filings is factual stuff. You know, it's public records. It's public records. It's Dcryptofan. Make sure you share. Make sure you like. I'm telling you, follow the money. Follow the money, honey. Y'all better stop watching the fake stuff. Y'all can't be my age out here playing games. Talking about y'all watching Monday Night Football and I know where your money's going. But anyway, let's get into this, all right? So listen, this isn't passive. This is actively managing, meaning they can move out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or even new tokens depending on the performance. Smart money engineering cryptocurrency, okay? Sleep on that, all right? 3, y'all know y'all be always talking about XDC network, all right? Backed by HBC. Yeah, you know XDC, that's 6 cents right now. You know XDC that does, you know XDC that ISO 2022 that does RWA and trade finances, that XDC. Oh yeah, you gonna listen, man. It's all up here, man. It's all up here. Dcryptofan. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's get it, man. We've been getting wild the last. And listen, I had to keep the momentum going. Monday was a big day. They tried to shut us down. They tried to shut us down Monday. I had to keep going. And Tuesday we came back hard. So today we had to come back just hard. I couldn't slow it down. It's too much going on. It's too much going on. I'm telling you right now. Tammy was sending me stuff. It's going on. I was doing so much security stuff. Let me tell you, man. I had to. Oh my God, the face. Let me tell you something. I figured it out. You don't understand what it was. I remember. You know what it was? When it took off the 18 and under. When it went 18 and under, you got to put 18 and above. That's what it was. But anyway, let's get into this, man. That's what it's been. XDC Venture just acquired Contour Network, Trade Finance Blockchain. Look at this. What I was just telling y'all. Didn't I tell y'all I know my stuff, man? Didn't I tell y'all I know my stuff? Look at this. I didn't read that yet. I didn't even touch that yet. I'm telling you I know my stuff, man. I'm telling you, XDC. Don't sleep on it. That's why I'm telling you. So XDC Ventures acquires Contour. Trade Finance Blockchain already integrated to major global banks. Banks, okay? I'm not talking about Lord banks. They launched a stablecoin lab focused on regulated pilots and banks corporates, all right? The goal is to nearly real-time cross-border trade settlement, treasury optimism, compliance, stablecoins. That's how real-world assets move on blockchain. Y'all don't see this coming, man. It's crazy, man. And it's 6 cents. XDC is 6 cents. Yeah, 6 cents. Okay. I ain't telling you, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm telling you, I'm just telling you what's going on. This is factual stuff right here. So anyway, T-Roy ETF for investors. XDC is building blockchain rails for banks. Both sides, Wall Street, global trading are converging on blockchain. All right, Dcryptofan. All right, let's go to number 4. All right, I'm not stopping here. October 21, Bitcoin ETF bought. Bitcoin ETFs bought 477 million new investments. Okay, Ethereum added another 142 million. Ethereum, all right, even Osprey, XRP ETF posted 24 million in one day. 24 million. Y'all keep selling, they buying. They bought 24 million of your coins. Listen, man, y'all think crypto's going somewhere? Y'all get scared? Y'all scared right now? It's crazy when I hear people come on the chat talking about you scared. Let me tell you right now. Let me tell you something right now. I'm going to tell you something right now. You see T-Roy, they got $1.5 trillion. They ain't scared. HBC, they out in England, Standard City. They ain't scared. Y'all want to play? Bitcoin ETF bought 477 million in new investments. Ethereum added another 142 million. They ain't scared. There's 155 new ETFs. I'm telling you right now. Does this sound like they're scared? Let me tell you something. You think these investment companies are investing in garbage? Huh? This is common sense. It's common sense, y'all. It's common sense. Let me tell you, man. All right, man. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you, man. It gets crazy. But anyway, I don't want to stop there. I want to keep going. I want to. So Tammy Lynn sent me this crypto ETF backed blockchain next transfer filed October 20th. She sent me this active ETF that T-Roy Dynamics buy manage. crypto assets single: Bitcoin, Ethereum, possible, XRP, and Solana. And the Roy is 1.5 trillion in assets. All right. First BlackRock, then Fidelity, now T. Roy. They're coming. They're coming. Listen, they're coming. All right. Oh Lord, man. James says Solana's crazy. Going to stay crazy down till tomorrow. Okay. Solana. So you're aware, Solana is always the first one to run. All right. In the bull run, Solana run first before everything else runs. Understand that. That Solana's a long play. Do not sleep on what's going on, folks. All right. Let's get into this. You know what I'm saying? So T. Roy, Tammy Slynn sent me this, and I was like, yo, we got to get on these ETFs. Because, you know, when she sent me the news, I'm going to go do my DD. This is Dcryptofan. So you got to sleep. So basically what we're talking about, ETFs. So you don't know what ETFs are. They're exchange-traded funds. Okay? So what that is, that's bringing Wall Street. Wall Street, you know where you have you see where Amazon is at? The investors that have Amazon, the people that invest in Apple, you know, people that invest in Apple, the people that invest in NVIDIA, see them people there that invest in that, people that invest in Tesla, they come over on this side. Yeah, they coming over on this side. And guess what? They just putting the money up into their 401k. They don't even know where the money's going. I'm trying to tell you what's going on. There's going to be inflows. Trillions of dollars are coming. Trillions of dollars are coming. Right now, they're scared of, right now, you know why gold ran up? You know why gold ran up? You know why gold ran up to 4,300? Because people are parking their money from the bank into gold, and they're parking their money to Bitcoin. Y'all not watching what's going on. They're staying quiet. They staying quiet. While y'all sleeping, they're buying. It's facts. I'm telling you all facts. There's nothing here that I'm saying that's I'm making up or I'm thinking. I'm reading straight articles to y'all. These are all articles. These are real live articles that real plays are going on right now. Listen, man. Look. This real article right now. Look. This real time. That's real time. Today. That's real time. Ooh, y'all, listen, man. Listen, I'm slowly. I didn't buy yesterday because everything was in the red. There's gonna be another. I'm waiting for that dip. I'm still buying the dip. Once certain coins hit a certain amount, I'm buying, man. I'm telling you, buying. Do not sleep. There's a lot of news. I know we talk about XRP, but there's a lot of news. There's a lot of inflows right now. There's a lot of inflows even with Bitcoin, Ethereum. Do not sleep. You know what I'm saying? Do not sleep on this, man. This is, let me tell you this. Bitcoin, just for a second, Bitcoin ETF advances surged by billionaire fund managers. All right? Do not sleep that only can we talk about XRP. This money's getting spread everywhere. Market dynamics, institutional trends, impact crypto landscape. Billionaire fund managers substantially increase Bitcoin ETF investments. Okay? Institutional confidence, blockbuster Bitcoin. Everybody's buying Bitcoin. Everybody's buying Ethereum. These institutions are buying. Let me tell you something. You better get yourself some. You better get yourself some. If all these institutions are buying, you better get yourself some. All right? I'm telling you, keep getting your hair done. Keep buying that expensive makeup. Keep going in there partying. Keep buying them bottles. Keep living that lifestyle, and you're not going and you're not copping. I already told y'all, give yourself 10% to yourself. I do more than that. I'm telling you right now. And let me tell you something. I got a lot, but I feel like, damn, I ain't buying enough Bitcoin. I'm like, damn, I ain't got enough Ethereum. I'm like, damn, I ain't got enough Solana. I went so ISO crazy. I went ISO crazy. I went ISO crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I went ISO crazy, man. I went freaking ISO crazy, man. Because, you know, I wanted to hit that. But let me tell you, man, that Bitcoin, that Solana, that Ethereum, do not sleep on Chainlink. Chainlink, let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, do not sleep. There's so many good stuff out there. But Chainlink, oh, man, nah, man. Do not sleep on the link, man. The link is in the middle of it all. Let me tell you something. There's certain coins that you can't sleep on. You can't sleep on Bitcoin. That's store value. That's gold. Look at Bitcoin as gold. All right. All the smart contracts, everything's running on Ethereum. All right. Now you have Solana that's faster than Ethereum, but it's too late. Too many things on contracts on Ethereum. Okay. Solana's going to be moving money, doing this stuff. Then after that, you got XRP that's moving the money. You got XLM that's moving the monies. Then after that, you got smart contracts coming through with ADA, and you got HBAR that's doing smart contracts and doing RWAs. Then you have Chainlink that's doing data, real life data, and bringing it to the blockchain technology. Then you have XDC that's doing RWAs in real finance. You got freaking Ondo that's doing real world assets like real estate. Doing, let me tell you something. Flare that's doing smart contracts, doing yields, doing, oh my lord, man, this Zbeck doing payrolls, doing, let me tell you something, man. It's overload for me, man. It's overload. It's overload. I'm telling you, it's overload, man. Aster doing decentralized, decentralized DEX, decentralized exchange with devs. Same thing like liquid, hyperliquid. This thing's crazy, man. You're saying it's crazy. Y'all don't understand. It goes deep. It's deep. The Star Wars is here. Star Wars is here, y'all. I was telling my homeboy, I'm like, yeah, I got data. You know, if y'all know Star Wars, you know data, right? I'm like, I got data, man. All I'm listening is a bot. Yeah, my chat GPT is my data. My freaking Gemini, my data. Yeah, Alexa data. Siri data. I make sure I use all that stuff, man. Y'all think I stop when I come? Let me tell you something, man. It's going crazy. And Link, I was telling everybody, you watch Tron. I was telling you watch Tron. Tron makes the stuff come out of computers and make the stuff that's coming out of computers and bring it to make it to life. Chainlink does it backwards. It takes the real life and brings it to the blockchain. It's Tron backwards. That's what Chainlink does. Tron backwards. Oh yeah, it gets deep, y'all. You're gonna learn. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, it gets very deep. So do not sleep. This is not the time to be running. You look at the market right now. We've been steadily trading. It's crazy how we've been steadily trading right there between that 360, that 3.6 billion, right? 3.6 trillion dollars to that 3.7 trillion. If you see, we're right there. Let me tell you, it's accumulation. They're accumulating. You know what accumulating means? They're buying. They're steadily buying, y'all. This is what's going on. They're steadily buying quietly, and they're buying in small proportions where you sell, they buy. They're doing just enough not to set it off. They're buying just enough not to set it off. All the people that's bored, the people that, let me tell you, I was on the chat. Somebody was like this, man. Should I could feel the vibe. It's not like I could see it, but I could feel the writing. For some reason, I could feel the typing. Your typing was, I could feel the typing. Your typing was saying like this. I don't know if I should be holding on to this, man. I've been holding on to this XRP now for 6-7 months. It's kind of not doing anything. It's like here, I don't. Man, we were holding for 5 years, 6 years. Let me tell you, when that thing runs, that euphoria you feel, but you got to go through these times. They buying up. You want to feel that euphoria, right? You know what it comes with? Patience. All right? Keep reading the news. Watch the evidence. Watch the yellow brick road. There's 155 filings, right? Just use common sense. If crypto was about to go, right? you think, let me tell you, these are people that hold these people have been doing my 401k. I'm talking about for over 18 years, 20 years. T-Roy's 20 years they've been doing my 401k. You think these cats is buying crypto? Listen, man. They just 3 years ago, a friend of mine asked me to say these MC rhymes. So I said this rhyme I was about to say, the rhyme was and went this way. There was 3 years ago. 3 years ago, they said, right? You're saying, remember in Bandcamp? They were saying this was a freaking scam. They said crypto was a Ponzi scheme. Now the top investment companies, the top retirement companies are buying. There's 155 ETFs quietly. Okay? Let me tell you, quietly. They're like this. Bitcoin. Well, y'all look, y'all like this. My Bitcoin, it's not doing anything. Bitcoin's 123,000. I would put 1,000. I would put 500. You better buy. Listen, you better, if you got 100, you better put 100 on it. You got 500, you better put 500 on it. Get yourself some Ethereum. Get yourself some Bitcoin. You ain't got to buy the whole thing. They're buying. They buy every day. They buy every day. They buy every day. They buy every day. You ain't got to throw a big sum at it. Take your time. This is a marathon. This is a lifestyle. Investment never stops. Investing never stops. You got to learn discipline. You can't be at 50 years old playing these type of games. It ain't going to work out for you. Ain't going to work out for you. Let me tell you something. I had to learn. I was that way too. Trust me, people who know me, they know I was running red lights. Yeah, I had to slow down. I had to learn to invest. And I had to learn to invest. You know how I had to learn to invest? I'm going to tell you the hard way I had to learn to invest. When somebody told me, go home, it's pandemic, we'll call you back. And I only had $28,000 to my name and whatever I had in my 401k. And I said, oh my God, am I going to have to go in there? And that $28,000 wouldn't last me for 6 months with my expenses. I said, oh no, I can't have no. I said, that man sent me home and told me, I'll let you know. I didn't know what's going on. Pandemic, they were shutting everything down. I was an essential worker. They said, bye-bye. Essential worker, bye-bye. I said, no. I can never let no man control my life like that. And only have 28,000 and whatever I have in my 401k. Oh no, that ain't gonna work. We gotta change. So that time when he sent me home, I was already doing stocks. I already had, but he sent me home. So I was working 10-hour shifts when I'm ready to go work. So when they sent me home, the first thing I went to TD, AmeriCredit. It's not long, but I started studying, investing. I spent 10 hours a day. And since that time that sucker furloughed me, that 10 hours a day, I never stopped studying since then. From 10 hours a day, I've never stopped studying crypto. And guess what? I ran that $28,000 up. I lost $54,000. They hacked me for $54,000. I still bounced back. Let me tell you, I spent so much time studying because I said I'll never let nobody put me in that position again. I said, you're going to have to learn discipline. And I'm going to tell you, I was at a point that, I would tell you something. Let me tell you something. I would take home $10,000, $12,000, and no lie, I would have to borrow $500 5 days before I get paid. I ran that money up. I was out of control, man. I was out of control. I had to learn discipline, man. Because that man sent me home, and I was like, how did I ran all that money up? And this man sent me home, I got $28,000. It was crazy how much money I was flying out there. I had to learn discipline. You got to learn discipline. This is a marathon. The wisest thing I ever heard Warren Buffett say, I love this. He says like this, the wealth transfers from the impatient to the patient. Meaning that, listen, that money that when y'all sold, for example, I see it. When y'all sell y'all Bitcoin because y'all got no patience, y'all say XRP got no patience, you're like, man, I've been holding this for 8 months. I've been holding this for a year. I've been holding this for a year and a half. I'm out. Right when you sell it, when you're out, right? And you bought it at $1.80. You sold it at 60 cents. They buy that 60 cents, run up to $3.66, run up to $3.50. You want to jump back in. They sold it to you back at $3.50. Like, go ahead and get that. Yeah, I bought it from you for 60 cents anyway. Here, you can get it back at $3.50. Yeah, they played that game on you. They ran that play on you, man. Yeah, this is what goes on. Hold your crypto, man. Do not lose your mind. Don't do that. This is some great, let me tell you, follow the money. They shaking people out. This is where it's gonna be. You think that all these people, go look up BlackRock, all right? Go look up BlackRock, all right? Please, go look Larry Fink. Go do that. Do that. Y'all gotta get your pen and paper. Y'all gotta get your pen and paper. If you see Larry Fink, they see BlackRock is $16 trillion assets, all right? $16 trillion in assets. Dumbcat said, this man literally 3 years ago, not even that long ago. The man, I want to say 2.5 years ago. But I say 3 just to cover my butt because somebody will come, no, man, it was 3 years ago, man. When you say 2 years, somebody always wants to call me out. But anyway, 3 years ago, right? This man said it was a Ponzi scheme. Get out of here, right? Then when he says it's a Ponzi scheme, the man buys $1 trillion of it. Yeah. He told everybody it's a Ponzi scheme. He made everybody get out. It was $65,000 for a Bitcoin. It ran down to $30,000, right? Then he bought it up. They bought it up. That thing ran up to 123,000 from 60,000. Ran some for 30,000. Yeah. And then guess what? When they asked him, wait a second, you said it was a Ponzi scheme. You know what he said? Oh, I'm now educated about it. I was educated. Now I'm educated. And he laughed when he said it. Now I'm educated about it. Yeah. And then you got, guess what? Then you go check out Jamie Dimon. Oh, yeah. Go look up this name, Jamie Dimon. Yeah. Go look that up. Yeah. JP Morgan Chase. He told his employees, I'll fire you if you find you buying crypto. Guess what they did? All right. This is the play. Let me tell you, they're trying to get people like me and you out of there. This is the play that's going on. Understand? Even if you're not investing in crypto, go invest in something, some real risk. Real asset. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to go. If you don't want to play with this, go get an ETF. If not, go get listen, S&P 500. Go do the S&P 500. But you got to invest. You got to have your dollar just sitting there. Your dollar needs to make you a dollar. And let me tell you, and the dollar is not what it used to be. I'm not even going to get in that. But now I'm just trying to tell you, you want to spend, you want to take the money you make, let it make money for you, and you spend that money. You don't want to be spending, you want to be spending your hard-earned money. You want to your hard-earned money, make money, and spend that money. But it takes patience. You're going to, at one time, you're going to have to sit down and relax and learn patience and learn to invest. That's what it is. All right? That's when you see an XRP go from, people in here seen the XRP go from 30 cents, 33 cents to $3.66, folks. That's 10 times. That's 10 times. That means if you put $1,000, you get back 10,000. You put 100,000, you get back 1,000,000. That's the type of numbers. And these people are still waiting. They still waiting for more. They're saying, yo, that 10X, I ain't come there for that. Wow, right? Real wild, right? That's real wild, right? I'm one of them people, real wild. Saying it sounds crazy. Saying to myself sounds crazy. Saying to myself sounds greedy, don't it? Sounds real greedy, don't it? Hey, Tammy, you said it right when I said, hey, Tammy. But guess what? These people waiting for $9, $10. Some of these people are waiting for $30. Some of these people been waiting for 30 cents, 27 cents, and they waiting for $30 for real time. Real time. Not no Bitcoin stories we talking about the guy who got in there at 13 cents. No, I'm talking about people that were here literally 2.5 years ago. There's people that were buying that and they're waiting for that type of number. They're waiting for that. And they wait. That's why they're watching ETFs coming. These people are watching for flips. All right, so you understand, flipping money. There's no other asset class where you're going to get a chance. We do this every single day. Listen, we've been waiting for them. Listen, they've been talking about this dropping. Do you see these last 3 months? We've been waiting for 2 years for these last 3 months. You know what I'm saying? Winter is here. Listen, man. Listen, we've been talking about this on this chat. All right? We've been waiting for this scheme, for this playbook. Like it's like you're watching the murder about to happen. Right? You're watching a murder about to happen, and you know at the end he's gonna get off or she's gonna get off. They're murdering everybody right now. And we know they're gonna get off. That's what's going on right now. Everybody's sleepwalking. They got everybody sleep. This is amazing to me that people are sleepwalking. It's amazing people don't even know what's going on. It's amazing they don't see these moves. You're telling you got, listen, man. Listen, the dollars, they're not watching for the dollar. They're watching for Bitcoin. They're watching for Ethereum. They're watching for this crypto. And right now it's cheap. It's about to get crazy. It's cheap right now. Listen, go look up, write this. If you're watching, write this down. Go write this down. Bitcoin, all right? Bitcoin. Then you're going to don't even try to spell Ethereum. I can't spell Ethereum. ETH. I can't spell Ethereum. Don't you try to spell Ethereum now. You know I can't spell. I do math like a mother. ETH. So understand, if you guys just join in crypto, every token, every coin has a what it's called abbreviation, but they call it a ticker. So when I'm saying Ethereum, it has what they call a ticker. It's abbreviation. So you guys just know, and when it comes to crypto and it comes to stocks, they have what they call it. It's a instead of you having to say the whole name or the whole project, like still you have to say T Roy, they'll just come with abbreviation, what they call a ticker. So when I'm saying making a joke saying don't I can't spell Ethereum, I'm saying you can go look up the ticker. It's called ETH. So when I'm saying ticker, it's the nickname. All right. So I just want y'all people who know who just jumped in and y'all trying to learn crypto, this is what you're hearing. And if you look at stocks, it's a ticker, it's just a nickname. All right. It's just like say like, yo, my name's Dcryptofan. You know what I'm saying? Or you'll be like, DN. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like that. That's basically it. So that's all it is. It's a ticker. All right. So y'all just tuned in. All right. Gotta make sure y'all learn something. I ain't gonna be trying to spell Ethereum to y'all. ETH, baby. How you spell Ethereum? ETH. What's going on? We got a block party going on. I thought I got to care of that where that couldn't happen anymore, man. I just did the what's it called for phrases and everything. I thought I had everything blocked. I thought I had the block party going, man. Is that confident? OJ, okay, where are you currently holding? See, I gotta put that phrase in there, currently holding. I gotta put that in there. But I spent all day putting key points and trying to make sure that the chat doesn't have certain words. Yeah, man, I was doing security all day. That's why I got the chat moving. That's why I got everything moving. I slowed down some stuff, and that's why I was able to get 20,000. I was like, yo, how am I only getting 200 views, 100 views? How am I only getting 23 people in here? I was like, what's going on? I had to put security on that bad boy. I had to slow them down. Yeah, I had to slow them down line by line. Yo, let me tell you, I literally, no lie to y'all, about 18 hours cleaning up my TikTok. Then I went to YouTube, went and cleaned up my YouTube. So right now I'm doing my IG and my Facebook. Like, I'm going line by line. You see every box that's in there, I'm literally opening every single box in there. That thing takes forever. But that's why we getting clean action right now. Yeah, we getting clean action, man. But anyway, man, let's take it back into it, man. We talking about XRP, we talking about ETFs. And you want to know why this is important right now, right? You know what I'm saying? This is important for you because you got to understand these ETFs, this is bringing trillions of dollars. This is bringing Wall Street. You know what I'm saying? This is bringing clean money. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. What is it? OGK says, what do you currently hold? What do I currently hold? I hold ISO coins, man. I hold ISO, XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You know, the normal. Anyway, let's get back. Just wanted to let you know. Go look those up. Write them down. Right now, ISO 2022 coins. Go look that up. But Bitcoin ETFs are going. Now, let's get back into it. 155 ETFs were filed. Folks, this ain't the time to be running to be scared of crypto. Okay, 155. Let's get back into crypto ETF boom filings across 35 assets, analysts, inset funds. Okay, let's get into this, man. I don't want to lose y'all on this. Let's get back into this because this is the craziest thing ever. You cannot sleep on it. You just tuned in to Dcryptofan. Make sure you hit a share. Make sure you hit a like. All right, so let's get into this. All right, today on the 22nd, 155 new crypto filing ETFs were filed by SEC for approval. Okay, this right here is the greatest, the most ETFs that have been filed for crypto ever. This is an explosion. All right, this is crypto history. Understand this, all right? You have 155 filings, okay, in ETFs, 35 different asset class, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, okay? You even talking about coins like XDC. Y'all know y'all got a lot of XDC fans out there. Okay, we're talking about XDC. The same XDC that's 6 cents right now. All right. They're right in the middle of it. All right. They're talking about banks ETFs. All right. So understand this. 35 different asset class. Bloomberg reports this. All right. So you're talking about Bitcoin and Solana lead with 23 each. XRP, 20 filings. 20 filings. Let's go. Ethereum, 16 filings. Even Doge, for your people who got Doge out there. I know y'all got Doge. See, Chambers, you already know what I'm saying, bro. You already know. Somebody Doge. Even Doge got filings. And Doge already got an ETF out there. All right? It's under the ticker DOJE for your Doge fans. All right? Think the Doge, how much can I get for the bull run? See, you were just talking about Doge. I just told you about Doge right there. And let me tell you, Doge, every time Doge hit 19 cents, I be getting some. I'm telling you right now, I'm getting Doge at 19 cents. And that Crow, oh, don't sleep on that. But anyway, so they talking about XDC, and you, so this guy's aware that your favorite coins are getting filings. It's 35 coins. Okay, let me give you. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Let me give y'all all the coins. If you just tuned in, it's the Crypto Fan. Wait a second. Oh, you know I gotta get that news for y'all. Let's see what's going on. So you guys understand. So we're talking about ETFs filings, and it's just so you know, I want to talk about one of the big financial companies that does about $1.5 trillion. 1.5 trillion with a T, y'all. 1.5 trillion with a T. T. Rowe Price. Okay, that's 401ks. That's retirement. You talking about crypto scheme? Huh? It's a Ponzi scheme. You talking about retirement money. You got retirement money coming to crypto. Okay? You think it's going somewhere? Do not let them make you sell your crypto. Okay? So listen to this now. Pay attention. All right. T. Rowe Price, active crypto ETF, filed October 22nd. What's today, y'all? What's today, y'all? Tammy Lynn sent me that. You know when Tammy Lynn sent me that stuff, I'm gonna go look it up. Madam President sent me that. I had to go look it up. You know I'm gonna go do my due diligence. Okay? I'm gonna have to do that. All right? I don't know why I just said that. By my due diligence. But anyway, right? Team Rowe Price can dynamically buy and manage multiple crypto assets in single fund. Bitcoin, Ethereum possible. Others like XRP and Solana. Do not sleep on Solana, y'all. Do not sleep. All right. First it was BlackRock, then it was Fidelity. Now it's T. Rowe. Do not sleep on it. You're talking about XDC, HSBC. All right. That's big monies. All right. Oh, just do not sleep. Do not sleep on that. Please. Do not sleep on HBC. Standard Chartered. Do not sleep on them. All right. Now I'm talking about XDC, Citi. You know Citibank, do not sleep, XDC. Oh, yeah. DBS Bank, XDC, do not sleep. Do not sleep. Do not sleep. It's the Crypto Fan. Oh, yeah. We got another 15 minutes, 20 minutes, man. We got to get it in. Yeah, no, we ain't doing them 2 hours no more. We got to get it in. Got to keep them short so I could put them back on YouTube. That's why I can't do them 2 hours like we used to do. But let's get it in, man. We got another 20 minutes. Let's go. So what's happening? We got XDC. They're also launching. They're also XDC Layer 1. Okay, guess what XDC is coming out with? A stable coin. Everybody and their mama got a stable coin. You know Bank of America got a stable coin coming out. PayPal got a stable coin. If you guys know what a stable coin is, a digital dollar. They're all coming with their own digital dollar. It's freaking crazy, y'all. It's crazy. All right, so you understand XDC, when you see HSBC and Citibank behind a blockchain acquisition, that's not a meme coin move. That's not a meme coin move, y'all. Listen, man. Listen. All right. The same week that T. Rowe files for crypto ETF, XDC announced now that they're running global bank network. Y'all got to follow the money, man. You know what I'm saying? How long are my lives now? Oh yeah, my lives I'm doing for an hour, man. Instead of the hour and a half, I'm trying to actually bring it down to 45 minutes so it can match an actual episode, a television episode. That's what I'm trying to do, man. I'm trying to get it regulated like that. And then when I absent, also it gives me time to go ahead and do the episodes. Because what happens is the episodes, also that scripted episode, you see the one that's doing 20,000, those are all scripted. So I go write them out and try to memorize and do it clean. So that's what I try to do on those. So that's what that is, man. So I'm trying to keep it going. I'm trying to grow, man. I'm trying to grow, y'all. I'm trying to grow our channel, man. We growing, though. I'm just trying to grow our channel. That's what it is. I'm trying to make us bigger and better. That's what it is, man. I hope y'all understand. Trying to make sure we're good. But what we're talking about, let's get into this, man. It's Dcryptofan. Make sure you like, make sure you hit share, man. Let me see. You think RLCD will end up being the main stable coin? I don't know, man. Because Tether's so far ahead. I don't know. That one's a tough one. I just think what happened now is so much RLUSDs. I just think there's gonna be a place where they all gonna have to fit because so many of them. It's just I just think XRP will have to do rails. But let me tell you something, man. I'm still not out on Ripple not buying. I'm still not out on Ripple buying circle. I'm still not out on that. I'm still not out on Ripple buying an actual USD that has a bigger market cap. I'm not out on that. I'm not sleeping on that. Just the fact that they try to do it says that they're open to it. But yeah, CG, J Mays think just like me. I'm telling you, man. I'm just telling you. I'm telling you, man. We thinking the same way. I don't think they're stopping. And there's so many. And the things about it, there's so many stable coins that are moving up. There's so much money on the sideline, y'all. I'm telling you, there's so much money on there. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Crypto's not going anywhere. Watch these filings. Watch what's going on. Mark, what up, crypto gang? But not when you see this fear and greed index at 29%. You've seen crypto drop to 3.62%. Tonight looked like it's going to be a good buying night. Tonight look like it's going to be shopping tonight. Tonight look like we're going to be shopping tonight. And this, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. But what I'm trying to tell you, right? Just think about it. Look at it. Right now, the market's at 3.62 trillion, right? It's at 3.62 trillion. And today you had 155 filings, right? You got look, crypto CTF boom, 155 filings across 35 assets, all right? Let me get into this, right? Because y'all understand, this manipulations happen live in front of y'all. Let's get into this article again, all right? I want to slow this down. So we talk about manipulation. We're talking about, for you guys who just joined in, this is the Dcryptofan. Make sure you share, make sure you like. We're talking about when big institutions, right? Now you're talking about, just put it in perspective, right? So the crypto market only has right now $3.62 trillion in it right now. Now, right? Just 3.2 trillion. I'm sorry, 3.62 trillion. That's the total amount of money that's in crypto right now. Right? Now, you have BlackRock. BlackRock has 16 trillion with a T. Remember, crypto only has 3 trillion. All right? The same company we're talking about, T. Roy, has 1.5 trillion. All right? Grayscale, trillion. Now this ain't, let me tell you right here. The NASDAQ, what's it, 27 trillion? Was S&P, I think 55 trillion. We're only 3 trillion, y'all. We're only 3 trillion. Listen, it's only 3 trillion. All right? Bitcoin is only $2.3 trillion. BlackRock has 16 trillion. What I'm trying to basically say, there's trillions of dollars that's sitting on over there, that's coming over here. Listen, ETF boom, filed. This is what I just said. BlackRock, 16 trillion. T. Roy, 1.6 trillion. Grayscale, 21 shares. Coin shares. Fidelity. What else? Lord, it's so many. Franklin Templin. What else? My Lord, so many of them. So many of them. Listen, it's only 3 trillion. You're talking about over 100 trillion over there, man. 27 trillion NASDAQ, 55 trillion S&P. What is the Dow? I think the Dow was 24. Y'all can look it up. Look up numbers. I'm doing off the top of my head. And I don't know if I'm actually right, but I think I'm very close. I think it's 27 trillion NASDAQ. Y'all can look it up. 55 trillion S&P. I could have it backwards, but I think I'm almost there. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm almost there. But let me tell you, you put all that money, it's over 100 trillion. We're only 3 trillion. We're only 3 trillion. There's 100 trillion. So what happens? We don't need the whole 100 trillion. Can I get 20%? Right? So what are you telling you this? Listen, we're only 3.4 trillion over here. There's 100 trillion over there. You know, real estate. Real estate is $300 trillion. We're only 3 trillion. Anyway, man, let's get back to this. The crypto fan. You think when they said they're early, and this is real. This is not fake. I'm telling you real, actual facts. We're only 3 trillion in crypto. There's 100 trillion on the sideline. Okay? And they're going to 35 asset classes. There's over 10,000 coins. There's over 10,000 coins. There's only 35 asset classes getting this money for now. 35. Not the whole 10,000. 35. All right? Let's get into this, man. Let's get into this. Dcryptofan. Make sure you hit a shikes. I'm wondering what's going on too. Make sure you hit a share. You know what I did? I put share and like together. Shlike. I made up a new word. Shlike. I put share and like together. Shlike. Can I get a shlike? Like I was getting a drink. I'm wilding tonight. Shlike. Well, we got a block party going on. Let me know. Wisdom Tree Prime. What the hell? What the hell y'all talking about, man? What the hell y'all talking about, man? Chad said, you have gotten the Ledger Nano Pro back secured wallet. Look at this right here, man. This is the cat. I've been seeing this cat all over my thing. See, I gotta put those words in there. They come with new words. So I gotta put Web3 and that. See, they come with new words to get out of it. But don't worry, y'all. I'm starting to learn how to put the security on there. I'm learning. You gotta put keywords on there. I'm learning. But let's get back to this. I don't want to lose my train of thought because it's very serious right now. We got to get to this, man. All right? So I want to get to this point right here. So it's 155 filings, 35 asset classes. I just want to let you know it's not all 10,000 coins that's getting it. It's 35 coins that's getting this money. So let's make sure you have the right coin. Don't get shaken out. So let's get into this, right? So this comes from Bloomberg, all right? Erica Belanchis, ETF analyst Bloomberg shared a list proposed funds XRP described. All right, the list includes, get ready for this list, y'all. Write down this list. We about to get into it. I saved this for the end. Yeah. Y'all ready to write down this list? Okay, it's Dcryptofan. Make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Oh, yeah, y'all about to get this list right now. Let's see if your popular coin is on this list. Let's see. All right, let's get into this list right here. This list includes assets like Solana, Bitcoin, which have 23 filings, followed closely by Ripple with 20 filings. Ethereum with 16. All right. There's also multiple application production trackers for Litecoin, Dogecoin, Avalanche, Dot. All right. Y'all already know what. Let me bring it back again. All right. Solana. Already know BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin. That's LTC. Let me give y'all the abbreviations too. Sorry about that. I'm gonna give y'all the abbreviations and the nicknames. Let me give y'all the tickers. Remember, the abbreviation, the nickname, it's just called a ticker. All right? All right, so remember this. Let me give y'all a ticker. Solano, SOL, that's a ticker. Bitcoin, that's BDC, that's the ticker, that's the nickname. You can look it up. BTC, you ain't gotta write the whole name. Solana, you ain't gotta worry about spelling this. SOL. Start giving y'all the tickers. All right, that'll make it easy. Just go into CoinMarketCap, put in these letters. SOL. That's Solana. Write it down. Write these abbreviations. You don't have to even write it. Listen, y'all ain't got to spell it out. I ain't going to make y'all spell Ethereum. Just put ETH. Write this down. All right? I'm going to slow down for y'all get your pen. Write this down. I ain't going to make y'all spell this. I ain't going to do that because I couldn't spell it. I know them and I still can't spell Ethereum. And I own a whole lot of it. And I still can't spell it. I ain't going to do that to y'all. Let's go, all right? So let's go. These are the coins that's going, all right? The list includes assets like Solano. That's SOL, all right? Let's see, please, how do you secure my wallet? Yo, listen, man. Slow down. Anyway, Bitcoin, that's BDC, all right? Then we're going to go Ripple. You already know that's XRP, all right? They're going to have 20 They got 20 filings. Ethereum, that's ETH, okay? They got 16. Litecoin, y'all should be able to spell Litecoin, but it's not light like L-I-J-T. It's L-I-T-E, but it's LTC, all right? Dogecoin is D-O-G-E, all right? You want to look that up, Dogecoin, that's D-O-G-E. Avalanche, that's A-V-A-C. That's the ticker, A-V-A-X, sorry. My bad. I don't know where I get that C from. That thing just came out of nowhere. I'm making up letters. Anyway, A-V-A-X. That's Avalanche. Polkadot. That's dot. D-O-T. Okay? These are the coins that they're talking about, okay? To boost ETFs. Now, there's other coins that were filed, but I'm talking about the ones that were filed today. I already know y'all want me talking about H-bar, I'm talking about other coins. I already know Pingu, I know these other coins, but I'm talking about these coins that were filed today. There's a lot of filings going on here. All right, he says most mainstream investors will probably prefer a shotgun approach, which means using diversity funds to spread risk across many cryptocurrencies similar to stocks, matrix, and funds. Okay, the high bullish index-based activity makes crypto ETF tweeted. All right, the shift strategic and strategy strong during command. All right, the push for more variety comes from the time that the first batch of crypto ETFs came out. All right, October 21st, spot Bitcoin ETFs bought 477 million in new investments. All right, spot Ethereum products bought 142 million. All right, so just listen, spot ETFs Bitcoin ETFs bought 477 million. Ethereum bought 142 million. All right. Meanwhile, newly launched altcoins already showing encouraging results. Rex Osprey Doge ETF debuted September 1st. Look, remember I told you Doge, the Doge Osprey ETF that I told you that came out? The first day volumes was 24 million. All right, 6 million respectively, surpassing the analyst forecast. Do not sleep on these ETFs, man. Telling y'all, please do not sleep on the importance of these ETFs, man. All right, so do not let them shake you out. Just want to go over this with you. When you have these financial titans, all right, these are financial titans. These are investments company that's been out 20 years. I've been messing with T-Ray for 18 years. They've been in my 401k. You're talking about these are the good old boys. These are the good old boys that scared of crypto. These are the good old boys like, ooh, these were the good old boys. They were treating crypto like it was a freaking vampire. Like, ooh. Yeah, let me tell you, if you were talking crypto, they treated you like you had the plague. What are you talking about? Don't talk about. Let me tell you, if you were in traditional stocks, they didn't even like crypto people. You talk crypto, cats who did traditional stocks, like traders in the stocks, you better get that crypto away from me. Get that crypto away from me. That garbage. That's garbage. That's garbage. It's garbage. That's Kansas scheme. Now they all buying. It's wild. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. You know what it reminds me of? You know what this is? It's like, you want to give you an example of this, right? It's like, imagine you see imagine a girl, right? Or a boy that you like, a girl you like, for me, girl you like, and everybody's saying how ugly she is. She's so ugly. And you're like, man, but she look good to me, man. She looks pretty intelligent, smart girl, looks nice. She ugly. She ugly. She ugly. She ugly. Everybody, she ugly, but she look good. She ugly. And you're like, you know what? Mm-hmm. You know, I can't take the noise, man. It's too much noise. And right when you like, yeah, she ugly, I give up, he snatch you up and say, oh, she's beautiful. She's the most amazing thing ever. Got you. Got you. She's my wife. Got you. I'm marrying her. Got you. That's what that play is right there. That's that play. That play they ran that play. Got you. Do not sleep. That's what they did. Yeah. That's what they did. Or if it was a handsome dude that they treat whatever for the ladies, same way, switch it around for the ladies. It's the exact same thing that they did. Do not sleep. These ETFs tell you the proof is in the pudding, y'all. They did this in 2003. They did this in 2004. Just wanted to show you that. Just want to get in these ETFs filings. Do not sleep. You're already seeing. I already told you about Evernorth. You already see these treasuries. Follow the yellow brick road, man. Please follow the yellow brick road, man. Make sure y'all here to share. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit to subscribe, man. It's the Dcryptofan. We've been on fire. We've been on fire, man. I'm about to get off of here. You know, we got to keep it less than an hour. Usually we'll do like an hour and a half, and then the hour and a half turns to 2 hours, but we got to do it because I got to go spend time, and I got to do the episodes. I had the episode I told you I was going to drop. I already got 2 pre-recorded, but the problem is that one that we have, the one that we dropped, it ran up to 20,000. The views, since I did all the security moves, did everything, we back to running again, baby. Oh yeah, we did 200 followers, y'all. Oh, the chat, we growing. This is the #1 chat in America. We growing, y'all. Oh yeah. We remember we was telling you about we have 3,800. Oh yeah, man. I think we might be over 4,100. We growing. We growing, y'all. Our page is growing. The crypto fans growing, man. I like to thank y'all too, because y'all stay with me every single night. Y'all was with me when I was in Atlanta. Y'all was with me when I was in the hospital with my dad. Y'all was with me when I was driving. Y'all was with me when I was going through all the most terrible times in my life, man. And I appreciate y'all riding with me, stick with me, man. I'm happy we were buying. And then we're gonna be enjoying it when it goes in the green together. Just like y'all was riding with me in that time we was buying. Y'all saw when we was buying. We was buying in that red. We was dancing around in the red, man. We ain't never scared. Let me tell you, this is the chat right here. My chat been DCAing this whole time. Oh, my chat love this. Oh, my Lord, my chat love. Let me tell you, Friday, that 2 Fridays ago, oh, my God, my chat was throwing up. Let me tell you, I woke up to my chat going crazy. My chat was like, wow, I wasn't spending. Wow, yeah. Let me tell you, I don't know what they doing on other chats. Other chat people complain like, oh, my God, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What should I run? Should I buy? Should I run? Should I sell? My chat like, we buying. Crypto gang face, what's up? Crypto gang. James Davidson, what's going on? Let me tell you, understand, folks, so you guys just tuned in to Crypto Fan. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to watch me. You watch my folks. Listen, everybody in the chat, all the people in the chat that's been buying, please put a 100. If you've been buying through this whole dip, if you've been buying, put a 100. Watch this, folks. Put a 100 if you've been buying. Put a 100 if you've been buying. James Jameson 100. Let me tell you, y'all don't have to be scared to watch this. Face 100. Bose 99 100. Listen. It's get crazy right here. Nasty Nabs 100. It gets crazy. Styles by Shirley 100. Let me tell you right here. User Chuck 100. James 100. Listen, Alicia Caprice a one freaking 100. Solo Han 100. Listen that. Is Zoot 100. Kingdom Quan. King Ngon 100. Let me tell you, man. Y'all got to take it from me. Look at the chat. Cam 100. Listen, 1,000 Aguilar Concrete. Listen, I'm not making this up. You got to look at this, man. Listen, Bose is 1 million. You don't have to take it from me. Listen to the chat. They've been buying. Are you watching these comments? If you've been buying and DCAing, please put a 100. Please put a 100. I'm trying to explain to y'all. This ain't, listen to these people here. They not scared. You think these people, you listen to me. I've been buying. They've been buying. This ain't no cult. These people know what's going on. Listen, 100. Listen, Rasta Gator, 100. King Gaunt, 1,000, 10,000. They've been buying. These are OGs. These are OGs in the game. I know you're new to the game. You might not know what to buy. Stick to your Bitcoin. Stick to your Ethereum. Come listen to the chat. You learn. Listen what we're talking about every day. Go do your due diligence. Look at ISO 2022 coins. Get your pen and paper when we come out here, because I know everything's going very, very fast. And right now, we're speeding it up right now. I know we're speeding it up a little bit because of the opportunity right now. It was easy to be slow, but it feels like the ETFs might go live any minute. It feels like the shutdown. So I'm just trying to get the news to just have people hold on to their coins. At least if you're not buying, I'm just trying to let people not get shaken out. I just don't want to get people, it's different. I'm not trying to talk people into buying. I'm just trying to talk to you not getting shaken out. I'm just trying to talk you into understand there's a new wave coming. Get prepared for the new wave. I'm not giving you financial advice, but you need to learn this asset class. Please look at all those people that put 100. Listen, I don't know these people. I ain't paying them to tell you 100. This is factual people like me that go to work every single day and they see an opportunity and they're taking the opportunity. And you think they'll be putting 100 if they was losing? You think anybody would put on 100 if they was losing money? You think they'd be on if they was losing money? Let me tell you, people are fresh. This is the internet. They be throwing all kind of shade at me, man. Let me tell you, I couldn't keep enough block parties for the whole thing. People be telling me, you don't know what the hell you talking about. I'm down. I'm in the red. Shut your page down. Block them. Listen, y'all just tuned in. Y'all better pay attention, all right? It's the crypto fan, man. You understand, man? But you already know it's been a lot. It's been a lot going on. But y'all, please hold on to your coins, man. But we're gonna get back in tomorrow, man. We've been going hard, man. We've been going hard, man. Just want to say good evening. Appreciate y'all, man, pushing the channel. You already know Tammy Lynn, Julia Bowles. You already know, man. World Darkness. You already know Sean C. Yeah, listen, man. It's enough. It's so many of y'all, man. Y'all already know, man. Appreciate y'all pushing channel. Steve Chambers, Dave Jameson, both James. Y'all already know, man. I appreciate all of y'all, man. I hope I ain't forgetting any names, man. Y'all already know. I appreciate y'all what y'all do, man. You know what I'm saying? What he said, Nasty Nab said, have a good night. Thanks for the facts. You already know, man. Listen, that's all I try to do. Appreciate you, man. I try to just do the facts and try to give y'all the knowledge, the same knowledge I wanted. And like I said, y'all teach me a lot on this chat too. Appreciate you and appreciate y'all hitting the likes and hitting the shares, man. That 20,000, I'm feeling real good about that. The thing on 20,000 new settings, and I'm gonna play that manipulation one, and I'm also gonna play the flare. I got a lot of stuff on drop. It's just that I don't want to mess up the algorithm for the one that's dropping, because they say you can't once it start running. If I play another one while that one's getting that 20,000, that it'll stop it, and then the new one will take over. So I'm learning. Remember, I'm still new to this thing. Remember, I'm 50 years old. I don't know about this stuff. The young people, they know what's going on now. Y'all know I'm an old dude. So I'm learning this thing from scratch. Like I told you, I started the thing in December, but I only got on TikTok going on like 7 months now. Yeah, and I only been doing the live. I think we're going on 5 months now doing the live. But yeah, but this is man. I'm still learning the stuff. I just try to learn security that makes people stop trying to steal. And I'm trying to keep the fake Dcryptofan and all that stuff getting off in there. But I'm learning, man. But I appreciate y'all. I just want to say, hey, AV guy, appreciate you, man. What's going on, man? Greetings from St. Cloud, Florida, man. Oh, you know what? I need to start doing a check to see where everybody's from. I remember last time we did that when I wanted to see where everybody's from. Where y'all from, man? Let's give a shout out and see where everybody's from before I get off of here, man. 'Cause I know sometimes we be worldwide, man. Where y'all from? Let me know where y'all from, man. That's one thing I know about crypto. Crypto's global. Sometimes I'll be seeing where people from, like, damn, y'all way out there, man. Where y'all from? Let me get a shout out to see where y'all from, man. St. Louis, Missouri, Jersey, Quebec, Canada, ATL, Albany, Georgia. I already know. Cali, South Dakota, Tennessee. We in the building, man. We worldwide, man. I love it. Atlanta, Cali, Virginia. I love it, man. We worldwide. Tallahassee, Florida. We worldwide, baby. From Illinois. That's one thing about crypto, man. Like mine's Mississippi, Texas. Yeah, New Jersey. Yeah, UK. Love it. I love it. That's one thing about it. Crypto's international. Long Island, Australia, Mexico. We in the building, baby. I love it, man. That's one thing. One thing, right? There's one language that everybody speaks: money, profit. That's no matter where we're from, we all know one thing, baby. Let's flip it. That's what, let me tell you. That's one thing we all know wherever we're from. NZ. Is that New Zealand? That's my boy from New Zealand. NZ, that's my boy from New Zealand. What's up, brother? Yo, you know I have to know you now. We drop the NZ in there, baby. Hey, but hey, you know what I'm talking about. Even NZ, you would have had me fooled. Lucky I know what time it is now. And let me tell you, man, this crypto's international. That's why I love it, man. That's why I'm happy we all speak the same language. Money. Doesn't matter what you're talking about. We speak the same. No matter if you're from here to South Central Czechoslovakia, baby, we all speak the same language, baby. I don't give a, hey, from Australia, we speak the same language. Africa, we speak the same language. China speak the same language. I don't care where you from. We all speak the same money. Money, honey. Tell you that much, man. Hey, I'll tell you that much. Let me tell you. That's one language you all see. Progress. We want to see progress. I want to see progress for you. North Carolina in the building. Hey, y'all, man, we got the whole, let me tell you, man, we got the whole world in here, man. Appreciate y'all, man. We got everybody, man. Let me know where y'all from, man. No money, no candy. Straight up. It's all crypto, man. It's like sports. Sports bring people together, and crypto, this brings us together. Because one thing we all have in common is one thing that we all have in common: common sense. I'm gonna bring it back. That's the way to end it. Hey, that was the way to end it. Don't lie. That was pretty freaking good. Hey, that was pretty freaking good. There's one thing we all got in common. We all got common sense. That was pretty goddamn good. That's pretty. Hey, that I had to change my voice to a cowboy voice. That was pretty goddamn good right there, Randy. That was pretty good, man. Georgia said Albany, Georgia. Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, I love it, man. I see GA, Georgia, Albany. I love it, man. I love it, man. Love to have y'all, man. We worldwide, man. We worldwide, brother and sisters. I love y'all, man. Hey, let me get out of here, man. Appreciate y'all. Doing the Get Shaken Out, do the DD. And also, if y'all got some new news, please send it to me. Just send my DM, send me it. Don't ask me my wallet. Don't ask me my wallet. If y'all got some news, just send it to me and I'll go look it up. Tammy Lynn sends me great news, man. Great news. If y'all want me to look it up, please send it to me. Actually, Sean C., I know I was supposed to look up a coin. We'll look it up tomorrow. My boy Sean, he always has some kind words for me, man. Really appreciate it. Sean was very nice, the words that you send to me, and let me know to keep doing it. And just saying some kind words. Thank y'all, man. Y'all sometime, especially when I didn't have the settings right, y'all kept me up and kept me going, especially when I was going through with my father. So I really appreciate the chat. Really appreciate y'all. Hey, have a great night. Let's talk mañana. All right. Good night, y'all.